How to play Gangster Vegas with friends. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Gangster application. Now tap on the settings icon. Now go to account and log in with your Facebook account. Now tap on continue. Now tap on gang. Now tap on create or join a gang to play with your friends. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.